The first key I have found, if you want to experience restoration in your life, your family, your spiritual life, your finances, your destiny, the first key to restoration according to scripture is self-examination and evaluation. The first biblical key to experience lasting restoration, the power of self-examination. Not just prayer, not just fasting, not just finding a man of God. In that order of priority, self-examination. There is nobody who receives restoration in this kingdom if you cannot sit down and be thoughtful.